Turn the other way now. Look at me, do style. Not be this style. Hi guys, I look like a hot mess right now, and it's because I don't know. I think because I have not really been busy today. I just woke up feeling, I don't know, somehow this morning. But anyways, currently I'm just waiting for my sister. I'm supposed to do her makeup this afternoon. She's going for her end of year party and it's Hawaiian themed. I really don't know what I'm supposed to do on the face because I don't know what Hawaiians do on your face for their parties. But basically I've researched a couple of things and I've seen that I think it's just a subtle makeup, and she bought the attire, so I think she's gotten that other one covered. So the makeup is going to be subtle, nothing much, and a lot of flowers and all for the attire. So I'm going to do that. After that, I'm going to go do my nails. Guys, my nails are, God, I can't even show you. It's terrible. Like, I usually paint my nails normally. I don't know, you should have seen it in a couple of other videos. I just paint my nails normally, but then they started breaking, and because they are breaking, the nails start peeling off. I don't know which one causes which, but that's how it happens, and I don't like the sight of it. Okay, so I just said, okay, maybe I'll just do this gel nails. Yeah, I think that's what they call it. I've never done my nails before. So I think I'll just do these gel nails that will keep my nails looking like a human being nails for a while, maybe a month or so. So that's what I plan to do after I'm done with the makeup. So I hope it comes out well, and I hope I'm able to use the nails, because I said because I know that long nails and I don't follow the same road. But I hope it comes out well. I hope I'm able to use the nails and do my other basic activities. Okay, if you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Frances. I'm not always looking this. You understand? So kindly join this family and hit the subscribe button. I make beauty, lifestyle, and a lot of other videos that you'll definitely be interested in. Okay, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell just beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So right now, as I'm waiting for my sister, I'll just keep doing other things that I'm doing, and I would see you in my next clip. Okay, bye guys. See our Hawaiian ihene. Turn the other way now. Look at me, do style. Not be this style. This your head is one-sided. My hair. Put this one. So I thought you used to. No, but don't worry. Just put it. It's not. Just put it. Everything will be fine. No, don't until logo dancer. No problem. Oh, join. I think it's Hawaiian. So guys, we're done with the makeup. I think the video of the makeup tutorial and all should go here up before this one. Currently I'm heading to do my nails, as I told you earlier on. Come with me guys. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline. So guys, this is the nails. I don't know if it's clear. Okay, this is the nails. It's honestly, I will just show you the nails first, then I will give you my review and talk about it. Okay, so these are the nails. And these nails, first of all, see, 2 days later, and see pimples have come to just 2 days. Oh, see them, they've appeared. Is it 2 days? Okay, I did it the day before yesterday, so it's 2 days later. Yeah, see as pimples have come to do skeleton on my face, but it's all good. Now these nails, first of all, I used it in eating swallow. I was good. I used it in washing plates. I was good. I've not used it in doing any makeup, but I think it's not stressing me. It's not stressing me basically. And then the person that did the nails, I don't think is aligned. I don't know, you might not see it from here, but I don't think it's aligned. First of all I told them that this is the first time I'm doing my nails. Maybe you should help me make some decisions. Basically, that's why I was looking out for when I was telling them that this is the first time I was doing my nails. But apparently they gave my nails to an amateur. She was learning on the job. I was telling her stuff to do. Won't you do this? Won't you do this? Won't you do this? And the money I paid 2,500 for this gel nails, and I feel it's a waste of money, because I would have just put rubber or clip-ons. Is it clip-ons? No. Or press-ons? Yes, press-ons. I would have just put it, and then it will give me similar results. And I don't know how long these nails are going to stay, because let me show you an example. It's peeling off. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. It's peeling off here, you understand? So I don't know if it's going to peel off totally, because me sometimes I have to remove stuff. I'll be removing some extras. I'll just be removing it, and then it keeps peeling off. I don't know. So basically I would give it an 8. Will I repeat this thing again? Maybe, but I'm definitely not going to the same place I went to before, because they didn't treat me as I wanted. I felt that since I told them this is my first time, maybe you just help me make decisions and give me a good first experience. Manamba, no, they just did it hurriedly, and then as far as they'll get their money at the end of the day. So basically I'll try another what they call them now, another nail technician in the market. I'll try another one, but for the color, I love the color nude. At least I was indecisive, but about the color, honestly, I wanted something that would fit me. Now this nude, to me, sometimes I might not like it, sometimes I might like it. Sometimes I would have been saying, why didn't I use this kind of color? I think this is burgundy or dark purple or something. Sometimes I'll be like, why didn't I use this dark color? It's going to be fine. But it's the first time, right? Second time, honestly, I will use a darker color, because I feel darker colors are better on me. But anyways, this is my experience using doing my nails first. So I'll make my hair very soon. This is almost Christmas, so I'll make my hair soonest. I don't know if it's gonna be in this vlog or in the next vlog. Anyways, if you've watched up to this point, you are the real MVP. And if it's going to be in the next vlog, please look forward to it. I don't know if I will have time to make my hair, honestly, because I'm kind of busy this period, but it's all good. If you've watched up to this point, thank you for watching. Just do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't mind me, I rush words sometimes. And do not forget to subscribe if you have not. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I would see you either in my next vlog or where I'm going to be making my hair. Bye guys. Mwah.